Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to run 24/7 live streams and loop videos using the VLC plugin in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your OBS application on your computer. Now here's something really important you need to know before we continue. Make sure you already have VLC Media Player installed on your system. OBS needs VLC to be present in order to detect and use its features properly. So if you haven't installed it yet, pause this video, download VLC, and come back once it's ready. Alright, now go ahead and open your VLC Media Player application. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window where you'll see a menu bar. Click on Media, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Open Multiple Files. This feature is what allows you to prepare multiple video files that you'll later use in OBS for your continuous loop. On the right side of the window that opens up, you'll notice an Add button. Click on it, and this will let you browse through your computer's folders. Navigate to wherever you've saved the video file you want to use, select it, and then click Open to add it to your playlist. Now it's time to switch back to your OBS application. Navigate to the Scene section and click the plus icon. In the dialog that appears, type VLC Media Player as the name for your new scene, and then click OK to create it. Next, look at the bottom left of your OBS window and find the Sources section. Click the plus icon there, and from the list of available sources, select VLC Video Source. Click OK to proceed. Now here's an important heads up. If you don't see your VLC video option appearing in the Sources section at all, you'll need to completely close your OBS application and then reopen it again. This refresh allows OBS to properly detect VLC on your system. Once you've added the VLC video source, a Properties window will open up. At the top of this window, you'll see an option labeled Loop Playlist. Make absolutely sure to check this box. This is what enables your video to play continuously without stopping, which is essential for a 24/7 live stream setup. On the right side of the Properties window, click the plus icon, then select Add Files from the options. This opens up your computer's file browser again. Select the video file you want to include in your loop from your computer folder, and click Open to add it. If you want to add more videos to create a playlist that rotates through multiple files, simply repeat this process for each additional video you want to include. Now, navigate to the Visibility Behavior option at the top of the Properties window. You'll see a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on that drop-down and select Always Play even when not visible. This setting is crucial because it ensures your video continues playing in the background even when you switch to different scenes or when the source isn't actively being displayed. This keeps your stream running smoothly without interruptions. After making this selection, click OK to save your settings and close the Properties window. There's one more important step to ensure your stream runs without interruption. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click the Start button or Windows icon, and in the search bar, type Power and Sleep Settings. Open that settings page, and you'll see options for your screen and sleep behavior. Look for the Screen section, and below it, click the drop-down menu and select Never. This prevents your screen from turning off automatically. Right below that, you'll see the Sleep section. Click its drop-down menu as well, and also select Never. These settings ensure your computer stays awake and active, allowing your live stream to run continuously without any automatic shutdowns or interruptions. And that's it. You've now set up OBS Studio to run 24/7 live streams with looping videos using the VLC plugin. Your stream will play continuously without any manual intervention needed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.